Welcome to our video on Kubernetes, the popular container orchestration platform. We'll be exploring Kubernetes, its pros and cons, and different types of Kubernetes platforms. This course is much more adapted for fresh engineers, application developers, managers, and executives. As Neil Armstrong said when reached the moon, that's one small step for a man, a giant leap for mankind. Containers over Kubernetes is a small step in cloudification journey, but an important one. To simplify Kubernetes, you consider it like a smart manager that helps you manage and organize a group of containers. From the other side, containers are little packages that contain your application and everything it needs to run smoothly, like the code, libraries, and dependencies. That's why they are called containers. They're like mini virtual machines, but they are more lightweight and faster to start and don't require to run on virtualization, but instead they run on a container runtime. Kubernetes helps you with their deployments. It makes sure they're always running and scale them up or down as needed. Also, Kubernetes keeps track of all your containers and their health. If a container fails, Kubernetes automatically replaces it with a new one, so your application keeps running without interruptions. It's like having someone managing the traffic flow to keep things running smoothly. And there is interesting part. Kubernetes can scale your application automatically based on the demand. If your application suddenly gets a lot of traffic, Kubernetes can create more containers to handle the increased load. And when the traffic slows down, Kubernetes can scale down the number of containers to save resources. One factor to consider when evaluating Kubernetes is its inherent complexity. While it offers a wide range of powerful features, getting started with Kubernetes and effectively managing it can be quite challenging, especially for those new to container orchestration. Kubernetes operates on a vast list of concepts and components that need to be understood, such as pods, services, deployments, ingress, and more. It requires familiarity with concepts like labels, selectors, and namespaces to effectively organize and manage your applications. Additionally, configuring and fine-tuning Kubernetes deployments can involve working with YAML configuration files, which can be intimidating for some. These files define the desired state of your application, specifying things like container specifications, resource limits, networking rules, and more. Also, scaling and managing a Kubernetes cluster involves understanding concepts like replica sets, scaling policies, and load balancing. You need to have a strong baseline of these concepts to ensure your applications can handle increased traffic and demand. To mitigate the complexity, many organizations leverage managed Kubernetes services provided by cloud providers. These services abstract away some of the complexities of setting up and managing a Kubernetes cluster, allowing developers to focus more on deploying and running their applications. Thanks for watching. Please move to the next video.